How to add or remove extra dim button to the quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, we tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, we then tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. So tap on it, then tap on edit here. Next, we then go down to the available buttons and then tap on extra dim. So tap on that. Now, once you add in the extra dim button, it will be added to your quick settings panel. And then tap on done. Then tap on done to save the changes. Now, to remove the extra dim, we tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on edit. Then in here, we go down and tap on the remove button to remove the extra dim button from the quick settings panel. After that, tap on done, then tap on done to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.